Welcome back. We have received another $15 no deposit bonus. As you can see right here, this is a $15 no deposit bonus that I have received from another broker, and I'm going to show you in just a few minutes on how to receive this $15 no deposit bonus, how to register, and all the steps that you can do. But if you didn't follow this video, you may miss out on a certain point that you need to follow in this video. So let's get started. Let's go straight to the browser, which I'm using Google Chrome right here, and I'm gonna read for you information that I can assure you will be helpful. So as you can see here, it's limited. You can see it's limited. And it's available for 30 days when the bonus is claimed, and the promotion is only available for African clients only, no other countries except countries in Africa. So that's underlined, and the maximum leverage that you can choose is 1 to 800, and the live account you have to choose is TBS Easter no deposit bonus, and this is the server. I'm going to show you how to get all those in a few minutes. So you need to verify your account. You need to verify your account. You need to verify your account here, and I'm going to give you the link of the broker down in the video description, and you have to verify your email, login, verify your profile. It took me probably about 8 hours, and you need to verify your customer, which is a QIC, by uploading a proof of identity and a proof of address. So after successfully verified, you open a trading account. Select an account type, which is TB Easter. Okay, so once you qualified, once you are verified, you have these options when you're trying to open a live account. So what you're gonna do, you just gonna opt for this option. So after you opt for this option, which is TBS Eastern no deposit bonus, when you opt for that one, it will just ask you for leverage. You can choose a leverage up to 1 to 800. It's fine. So from there, you just have to view the terms and condition. If you want to view the terms and condition, and then select this one, they will give you a screenshot looks like this one. So I want to zoom in a little bit so maybe you can see, but yeah, something like that. You can see the information here. You have to trade minimum of 1 standard lot. This is the first point I'm reading. The minimum of 1 standard lot to qualify for withdrawal, to withdraw the profits. Okay, the second one is the bonus is only applied to the TBS Easter no deposit bonus account, and then you have to complete your KYC verification and open a TBS Easter no deposit bonus account. And the fourth one is this bonus is only available to clients from Africa. Okay, then the very important point is this one, which says send an email for bonuses. Send an email to bonuses at tamambrokerage.com requesting for a bonus, indicating your full name. You have to indicate your full name, your MT5 logins plus your account number, and using your registered email address. So your request will be reviewed, and if you meet the criteria, and they will give you the bonus in just 24 hours. So as you can see, those are the information you get here. So let's just read through here on how this person was really trying to figure out the information. So you have to claim the bonus by sending a message via email. So let's go to my email. When I send the email, I send the message straight also through my email. Let me just go to my sent emails. As you can see, so I send this email right here. So I'm like, hey, I'm writing this email to request for no deposit bonus. My account details are as follow. This is my name, okay, my login details here, and my email. Then after I send just those important information, it's a request of the bonus, and I wait for a few hours, and then when I woke up, I found this email that bonus was activated. So this is the email that bonus was activated that they sent me. As you can see, they sent me today early morning about 9:41. So I can open the email right here and see what they said right there. So you can see this is the email, $15 or sent straight to me, and that's tradable. So by going to my MT5, I can assure you that everything here is tradable. Going to my MT5, you can see this is $15, and I can trade Forex only, nothing else. As you can see, I have Forex pairs right here ready for trading. So thank you guys for watching one of my video. Make sure that you subscribe and just give us a thumb up, and see you again on the next video.